smell it. Wow.
Yeah, giving lots of power.
Lots of power on that. That's crazy, man. And you smoked them.
I think a little bit.
A little bit, yeah. I can smell it now. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. All right.
Yeah, I keep changing it. I'm going to be doing E to D's in a Yukon 4-quarter.
So what's your name? What's in here, man?
My name is Zachary, and I got 4 XV3 15s on 2 Salt AKs, 0.35 each.
Alright, nice. Are they strapped or separate?
Separate, game matched.
Okay. Do you know your cubic spot, space size, and tuning at all?
We just shrunk the port. We're not sure on the tuning, but it's like 28 cubes in total, whole box.
Have you done any SPL on it?
It's doing 58.5 on music right now.
All right. You happy with it?
Yeah.
All right.
Definitely sounds really good.
So you used to have a 6th order.
Yeah.
And you went to 4th? Or?
Yeah, I went to a 4th a little bit. It didn't do exactly great. Okay. So changed it to A12 flat wall, and then changed it to another flat wall.
All right.
Just kind of trying out.
Yeah, man, that's fun. Keep it fun. All right.
Yeah.
Can I see the back? Yeah.
We still got that 4 Salt AKs, but there's only 2 hooked up right now.
You're gonna hook up 4?
Well, I had 4 on all 8
Yeah.
12, so.
Yeah. How much lithium?
It's a 135 amp hour T-Max.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, you go ahead and shut that. You don't want to get the amps rack wet. Nice. Can I see in here?
Yeah.
Just curious to see. Oh, there we go. Oh, there you go. You can see it. All right. Nice. See all the way in. You've done a lot of work to it over the years.
A lot of different changes.
Oh yeah.
Alright, let's find a good song here. This one's pretty good. Fill you up.
all demo, man. I appreciate it.
I like that song. It's by Rusticles.
Rustical, that's a good one. That was only time 26 to 40.
Yeah, 26 to 46.
Thank you very much, man.
Yeah, no problem, man.
You smoked them.
Yeah, I think a little bit.
A little bit, yeah. I can smell it now. Might want to play a little low frequency a little bit, let it cool off.